high honors for her speech of gratitude.
May respect to our school's division superintendent, Dr. Marilo B. Didomo, SESO 5. To our assistant schools division superintendent, Dr. Gilbert L. Gayrama, SESO 6. To our chief curriculum implementation division, Dr. Carlo P. Tantoy. To our Chief Schools Governance and Operation Division, Madam Elizabeth S. Larase. To our Education Program Supervisor, Dr. Marino L. Pamugas. To our District Supervisor, Dr. Thelma T. Tolentino. To our dear Principal, Ma'am Jocelyn O. Reyna. To our supportive barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Evangeline L. Arches. To our ever active General PTA officials headed by Mr. Adjo Terrigoza. Dear teachers, parents, co-graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, we celebrate our remarkable achievement. We've achieved a milestone, a testament to our hard work and dedication. But as we stand here and witness this event, let's remember that this isn't the finish line, it's the starting point. According to Harvey Mackay, a great accomplishment shouldn't be the end of the road, just a starting point for the next leap forward. The world is full of possibilities and it's up to us to seize them. Let's continue to push boundaries, challenge ourselves, and strive for excellence. Let's turn our achievements into stepping stones for the next level of acquiring education. Today's occasion is the most memorable day in our lives. It is a time to bid goodbye to our alma mater, our teachers, classmates, friends. It is the end of the first stage of learning, our elementary education. We still have a long way to go through in order for us to see the horizon of fulfilling our dreams to come true. This occasion